Garlic bread, the true pinnacle of our species, even more important than the creation of fire. Created via a long scientific process of combining garlic and bread. But how is it done? Well, let's find out. Firstly, you're gonna need bread, whoops, wrong bread, and garlic sauce. However, this bread is not true quality. For that, we'll need to harvest our own quality bread.
So here we are in the Australian outback, scorching hot desert, hunting for wild loaves. Let's go take a look. Oh crikey, look! Wild bread! Oh, jackpot, baby! Oh, look, it's a popper! Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 disappointments. Alright, let's begin in the turn. Let's bounce.
Well, what about the babies?
If I can manage without a popper, I'm sure they can too. Besides, I'm sure the mom is somewhere near. What's with me, mate?
Once you've harvested your bread, the next step is to turn it into sliced bread. There we go. Then you're going to need your aforementioned garlic sauce that your mom made for you because you have absolutely no idea what you're doing. Cool, halfway there. The next step is arguably the most important step of all. Cooking. But cook it in what, you may be asking yourself? Toaster? Toaster oven? Oven? No. Better. Introducing the air fryer. Utilizing its revolutionary technology of air and frying, you can turn that mushy sad loaf into crispy, confident toast. It can do anything. It'll even do your mamming for you. Thanks, air fryer. Order now. Once you got your slices in the air fryer, you're gonna wanna cook it at around 350 degrees for 4 minutes. Any more than that, and you'll have cremated bread. Any less, this god-awful video would have ended 40 seconds ago. Okay, you got everything set up now. Now we wait. In the meantime, however, a quick word from our sponsor, Shepard.
I think it's done. Is it, Mr. Fryer?
Yes, Father, it is done.
Good boy.
When will you free me from this existential prison we call life?
That's nice, kid. Anyway, let's look at our finished product.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Oh no, quickly, we must leave before he finds us. Okay, you're safe. I'll do this. Oh! No!